Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Tanvi.
And I'm Agrima.
And for this video, we are going to be revealing my mystery box gifts, and we're going to tell you all about the small businesses on Instagram that are booming so that you know where to shop from. So without any further ado, let's do this.
भाई WWE देखा है? WWE निकी मेला
चुप रहो।
Ratnaja, you will be in the YouTube video.
अरे यार बहुत
Too many gifts.
हाँ बोल
So why we're doing this video and what's the purpose of it is because we thought that small businesses, are not all of them are authentic, and because of some bad experiences we tend to, not trust the ones that are actually trustworthy. So we thought that we'll experiment and we'll let you know which small businesses you can trust from our side, like the experiences that we've had. So yeah, I shopped all of Tanvi's gifts. You've heard it like 1,000 times already in all of the vlogs. They were all from small businesses and I had amazing experiences with each and every one of them. So today we're going to take you through all of them one by one. So to begin with, the very first one that I got for her, which I was very, very sure since day one, was a phone charm.
Actually, it's not too bad. ये ग्लो क्यों कर रहा है? क्या ग्लो कर रहा है? इसके साइड में
I know how much she loves phone charms, and she's been like bickering on my head that I want to make one. Can you please help me make one? So I was like, no, I'll get you one. I didn't tell her, but I was like, I'll get you one.
Fine, Agrima. Why are you making fun of my art skills?
Yeah. So the very first thing was a phone charm that I got for her. It was from an Instagram page that's called Nika Jewels. I'll put the Instagram handle here, so you can go and check out their collection. It's really amazing. So yeah, did you like it?
I loved it. I've been wanting a phone charm since forever. If not, I wanted to make it for my own self. So I was texting Agrima, what beads should I order? What thread should I order for it? But she gifted it to me. So this is the cover that's on my phone right now, but I've removed it to show it to you guys. So this is the phone charm that's there, and it makes my life so much easier because I keep on dropping my phone always. So it's better if I have it like this on my hand, and it's it's like perfect. It's minimal, it's not too extra, and it does not make your phone look very extra. So this is what I absolutely loved about it. And the packaging was also super cute. Probably my favorite gift, and I wore it the whole entire day of my birthday. I didn't even remove it for a second because I found it that cute. So this is the gift that I'm talking about. It's a very cute teal color bracelet.
It's too small, man.
And why did you give me this?
Basic intention was again to target small businesses, so I found this really cute. So the initial plan was not to get XOXO written on this. It was to write dear, which is an inside joke. It's like DEER. I wanted to write. So but they did not have the letters. I think they did not have D, and then I wanted it to be Tanvi, so they did not have T, I think. So there was a lot of contemplation. Then I came up with XOXO. So that was a task to look for, to what initials I want there. But it was super cute. Their Instagram page is also very, very pastel and cute and all those vibes. It sends out the right, vibes. Like their packaging was also so cute. I told her I'll take the freebies that they've sent. So I thought that, giving her statement pieces that she would use and she would keep with herself would be really useful. So yeah, that is one gift that I thought she would like. So, and she did. So I'm relieved. Coming to the next thing, next accessory, as I told you, there are going to be a lot of them. So as I said, I wanted it to be, something personalized. I wanted it like an inside joke or Tanvi, something like that. So I wanted her to give something or the other which is personalized, since I was not able to make anything for her this time. So I came across this really cute Instagram page, and it's called like Lux Babe. So it's like LUXEBABE. So I'll mention all the Instagram handles will be mentioned right here and in the description box as well. So you can go and check out their pages. So she has this really cute, you know, necklace collection, and she makes these wire custom name things, and they're super cute.
What is? Oh, nice.
So I got very excited for like, you know, getting one for Tanvi. So did you like it?
So cute. Yeah, I did. I haven't worn it yet. Looking for the perfect opportunity to wear it, but I will wear it soon. So cute. And I also got this with it. This one.
This one, although, is another Instagram store which is called the Crystal Shop. That's also very cute. I thought of buying it for myself, but then I thought I'll give it to her.
Yeah.
So that is another necklace.
And it's so minimal. It's so minimal that it might uplift all your outfits, but it will not make you look extra also.
Can you put this in this there?
Some video, or I read it somewhere, I don't remember at all, but it said that, you know, if you give an evil's eye or, you know, a nazariya, then if you give it to someone, then it tends to, you know, work better. So nazar is the only Indian superstition that I tend to believe in. So and
Yeah,
she
me-
does too.
No, I believe in a lot.
Yeah, nazar is real, guys. So just stay safe, okay? I don't know if these things work.
Trust me, it is.
So I gave her a nazariya. I thought and she broke her nazariya when she got COVID. So that I remembered. So I thought I'll give it to her. So that was from, I ordered it from Amazon, and later I figured out that that was a small business too. So these people, you know, it's called Nemi Chand Jewels, and they have an Instagram page too, and they have like real silver, all those kind of jewelries. So I figured it out later, so they're available on Amazon, obviously. So you can go and check that out.
You wear it.
तू पढ़ाई कर रहा है कि वीडियो देख रहा है?
I love it, and I obviously needed it, and I was मतलब मैं टाल रही थी उसको लेने का because I like kept on forgetting it, and then she told me that she was gifting me this. Okay, so we had this challenge, and she had to tell me this one thing that she got. So this is the first one thing that I knew that she was giving me. I was planning to buy it on my birthday as well, so I'm like, okay, thanks, Lagrima, I don't need to buy it anymore. And this has been on me since that day, and I mean, I don't remove it ever.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So the next thing, I was very confused. So all of these gifts I was very clear about. I knew what I wanted to get her, and I, you know, looked for Instagram pages. I did my research, and all of these were very, you know, thought about. So also I want to mention that none of these things are extremely expensive. They were all small businesses, and they were super affordable. So you can, you know, definitely check them out if you know you have a set budget, or you're making a mystery box for someone else. Absolutely, you can. I think rather than shopping from some big you know, brands, small businesses tend to, you know, be pocket friendly, and also they're like easy to contact, and in case there's some mishap or anything of that sort, I think it's easier to talk to them.
So that's a plus point for small businesses, that they always like fit into the money frame that you want to buy. So yeah, that's a very good plus point about them.
But the next, like all of the other gifts that will come now, except for one, that is like the surprise that I'll show you at the end. But except for that one gift, the 2-3 gifts that will come now were not thought about. I just randomly came, like the idea came. So the first one in this line of gifts would be a hamper. I wanted to get like a personalized hamper, but I couldn't really find anyone who was making, you know, personalized stuff, and like something that I could, you know, ask them to do or something like that. So I found this really cute Instagram store. It's called Kiss of Love. It's not like that. So it's a very cute Instagram store which sells like skincare, face care, lip care, all of that stuff, and they make like really cute hampers, and they pack it very well, and they send freebies with it. So they have this whole list of you know, items that you can add to your hamper, and you know, according to your budget you can set the whole vibe of the hamper. They sent like a really cute scrunchie, candle, and you know, it was very beautifully packed.
What?
Oh!
ऐसा कौन बोलता है?
थोड़ा later, I will be very happy you bought the gift.
भाई
वही बूमर वाला किस
It is
तो आगे हार्ट भी नहीं
skincare.
जो बूमर वाले की
सेंट के बारे में पूछते नहीं है
क्या
व्हाट अबाउट हर किन सेंट नीचे तो दूर से मना कर दी ना
मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है
This is a lip balm. This is a lip balm. Lip scrub.
गाना बहुत प्यारा है
व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस
गाना बहुत प्यारा बात
Lip balm. You
गाना लगा
cannot make a lip scrub only with lip
गाना लगा
पहले मैं लगा दूँ
गाना बढ़िया है
गाना बढ़िया
और ये भी नहीं आता
balm. What's this? Face mask.
Face for hair. Face or hair.
Oh, this is a candle also.
फेस या हेयर मास्क था, याद नहीं मेरे को क्या था. खोलेंगे तो पता लग जाएगा.
आई 2 सेकंड ओके देना भाई और गैस
I remember why I love this so much is because when I was opening this gift, the whole room smelled like, you know, filled with such a good fragrance. And then all of us, turn by turn, smelled the candle because it smelled so good.
मेरा बैड आते सब ऑर्डर कर दिया
This is the package right here. It is a very cute packaging. I love it so much. It has a scrunchie in it, which I'm guessing is a freebie. This is the beautiful candle that I was smelling. Smells so good. I wish you could smell it. And then they have this like you know, a guide which will help them, which has like to tell you what is there in the package and how to use it actually. And then they have some tips about how to keep your skin safe, 5-minute skincare, sending you a little up to date. And oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. So this is the lip scrub that is there. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it really soon. This is the face mask or the hair mask. I haven't opened, so I don't know what is there in it yet. But so beautiful. I'm in awe of all these packaging. Like they do so much work for the packaging. Oh, and I also got some stickers with it, which are stuck on behind of my phone cover. Not this one, but the other one. So yeah, I got stickers. I love phone covers.
She's a lot into skincare and you know all of that. If you don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you go and follow us on Instagram. She has recently started her own skincare series, which you'll see episodes of. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, please make sure you do, and you'll know why I gifted her you know, lip scrub and skincare products. So leaving Tanvi to smell her candle, we will move forward with our gifting process. So the next gift that I gave her is an oversized t-shirt. It's not really oversized, but I thought I'll order one for myself and I'll order one for her, so we'll twin. Yeah, it looks amazing. And it says I'm amazing.
You might see this sometime in the future that we are twinning with these t-shirts because they're so cute.
This unfortunately is not from a small business. Two things I ordered which were not from small businesses. One is this and one the other one that's coming. So this is from bewakoof.com. It's a really cute, you know, you'll find really cute and stylish graphic t-shirts and joggers, pajamas, all of that. Bewakoof.com is like a one-stop shop. I used to shop a lot from Bewakoof earlier when, you know, it started.
Surprisingly, I never have shopped from Bewakoof. This is my first buy from, like, not even my buy. This is the first thing I've ever gotten from Bewakoof.
So like I said, another thing that I did not get from a small business is a neon sign. I tried getting a, you know, a personalized one which said Tanvi, but I couldn't find a, you know, a seller. And if they were super expensive, and if I would have given it to her, she would have like thrown it away. So
and honestly, I am glad that you didn't give me my name, because people would think that I'm self-obsessed to another level, that I have a neon sign of my name. So I'm really glad it wasn't my name.
yeah, exactly. So I was thinking of something, you know, creative. So I was thinking that I'll get her a Tanvi and I'll get myself an Agrima, and we could combine them. And
Yeah.
you know, when someday we're shooting together,
Shooting
we
together,
could do
yeah.
that. So, but that didn't happen. So I found this on Flipkart, and it wasn't very expensive also. It was around it was $9.99 I think, but it's like this square, but yeah, it looks really beautiful. I think it's blue or purple. I'm a little confused with what I ordered, but I think it looks blue. Yeah. Obviously, because you have to, attach it. Because I asked you not to, because it's... Your assistant needs to be with you to do the work. If you know, you know. Comment down below if you know. That's amazing. So that is about it. Yeah. She always, so we obviously shoot a lot. So she always says that, my background is a little dull and I don't know where to shoot and, stuff like that. So I thought I'll give this to her so she'll have something, to, put in her backdrop and make her shoot easier.
Yes, right now my head is hiding this switchboard behind me. So someday or the other this sign will hide it.
Hopefully. Build up kar de
My
thoda.
absolutely
Build up
favorite
kar de
gift. Yes.
यहाँ से confettis आ रही हैं, यहाँ से confettis आ रही हैं. So the most important gift of Tanvi's birthday.
I'm gonna show it. Is this beautiful handmade Spotify plaque. Handmade. Gonna just look at this. This is
And
handmade.
we'll put the
Can you
picture that
believe
this
it?
girl made it
And,
from. It is the exact same thing.
Exact same photo. It might be up on our Instagram somewhere or the other.
Yeah.
You might have to scroll it a little. But this is the exact photo. And I remember Ragima told me that she asked for one of my favorite singers.
Yes,
that she
this
could do
girl,
these, little
her
aesthetic
name is
drawings at the
Aditi.
back.
She has this really beautiful Instagram page. And she was so sweet. She said, I wanted to experiment with your, this design. So I don't want to give you a normal background. Can I do something fun with your, this art? So I said, yeah, you take your freedom. And she asked me ki isko kya kya pasand hai, what are her likings. And she was so sweet. She said that, okay, I'll incorporate all of this. And then I asked her that if she could share some BTS. And she shared them so, my heart was so full. She sent me a drawing, then she sent me when she painted, then she made a little transition and then she sent it to me. So she was really sweet with the process, and I really it came in a beautiful packaging.
I remember the packaging as well. It came with a personalized note, and it was as if she was wishing me a happy birthday without even knowing who I was, and that was really sweet. It made me smile.
Oh, she's so cute. है ना? दिखा?
Turn around.
अच्छा लगा
Fancy है.
अच्छा ये नहीं आपने ये खुद बनाया
पागल है क्या?
अरे price is right.
priceless
A lot of plaques in which the code doesn't really work, but the second it came, we scanned it and the song started playing. So my favorite gift. Period. My favorite gift.
Mine too, absolutely favorite. So I'll tell you why I picked this out. So Spotify plaques are very trendy, everyone's buying them, but I wanted to do something different because I thought that maybe the regular thing. So she also gave it to a friend, so I was like, I can't give her the same thing that she gave to a friend. So I was like, I want to do something different for her, but she really loves Spotify plaques.
I kind of knew she was giving me a Spotify plaque, whatever, do not judge me.
Plaque,
yeah,
whatever.
please. Okay, don't correct us in the comment box. Okay, the Spotify plaque, the one that I gave was it was a normal plaque, and this, I was expecting her to give me a plaque, but I did not know that she was gonna go with the handmade plaque, which is way more work, and it's super beautiful.
So that is it. These were all the gifts that I incorporated in her mystery box. The mystery box was huge, but the things were very, very tiny, very, very cute. If you want to know how I packaged them, you have to head over to the other vlog that I made. It would be linked somewhere here and in the description as well. It was really, really fun making this for her. I really wanted her to open. Like, I wanted to tell her all the gifts the moment I got them.
She only made this because now she expects me to do all the stuff that she has done, even more so for her birthday. So I'm going to start my planning from today itself. I don't know if we will be friends till your birthday, so I'm going to start the plan.
We will post stories. There will be posts with the price, with the name of the Instagram pages. We will tag them. We will do everything we can in our power to, actually make them reach to you and hype them up for sure. Yes. So yeah, that was it for today's video.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment which one of these gifts was your favorite. You already know ours, but you gotta tell us yours too. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we make a post. And thank you for watching.
I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted still. I realize the time that I wasted here. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right there. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right there. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.